Okay, thank you. Welcome back, everyone. This is Robert at Custodian File. Today is January 3rd, 2025. Let's just jump on in. Some of you long viewers have, this picture, but there's a lot of new viewers, and I do appreciate that. Thank you for your curiosity, your open mind. So I'm going to start off, I want to do a quick review of some of my best saucer videos or photos. I have videos and photos, actually. So this photo is Covina, California, March of 2017. Basically, there's a backstory to all of them, but basically those two dots on the top left corner are two F-18s. They were chasing this puppy for 6 hours, on and off, on and off. I told this person, go outside, record with your phone. I got a hold of the video. I bought this video. This one's one of a kind. So the incredible backstory. I mean, you're like, wow, this thing, this is not a little drone, UAP drone. That's like a saucer ship. The way I know that, it flew up to the F-18s, game of chicken, went nose to nose, and the silhouettes were equal. So the F-18s are about 40 feet. So roughly this is the same thing. Maybe it was 10% smaller, but nevertheless, same category. Can you see the two plasma jets? I believe it was coming from left to right. And fortunately, we caught one frame of that. I know it looks too good. It looks too good to be real. I have, like I said, I have the video. Now the backstory is harder to believe than the photograph. You're like, well, this photograph, if this is real, this is really amazing. You know, two F-18s. What's more amazing is the same scenario happened 1 year later, March 2018. And then it happened again, March 2019. And they kept sending more fighter jets. I have all those videos from the first person who took this video. Super amazing. I know it's got a lot of people baffled. An astronomer at JPL, NASA in Pasadena, wrote a book about it. It's really well known. I'm sure the Navy has a lot of questions about this whole event for 17, 18, and 2019. It's phenomenal. So if you have any questions, please remember to like, subscribe, comment. I do need your support on the like or subscribe, especially subscribe. If you have your own dragon video, please send it to custodianfile@gmail. But this is all you do. You take your phone, landscape, record, and things will fly and magic happens. This is super amazing. This original video is available to anyone who's interested. And I did post this several years ago. But just reach out. Everything's open source. Nothing's top secret here. That's all in the past. Everything's open source. Do what you want with it. Okay, let's go forward. All right, super. Okay, you remember this. This was from a few months ago. This is from Ben in Oklahoma City. Went out just recording aircraft. Same scenario. Except for some reason, there are saucers flying this day. So I have the video, the saucer video. I interpolated it. But I'm just trying to show you the best of the best. These are my red diamond photos. Red diamonds are the rarest diamonds on Earth. Here's the Canada. I found this on YouTube, just watching air shows in Canada. And this chevron UFO pops into the picture. Maybe they were trying to frame themselves out of the picture or miscalculated or something. Very lucky, believe me. I've searched thousands of videos on YouTube. I make this look easy. This photo is not easy to find. It may never be repeated. So there you are. I've shown this way before. If you ever want to know where the timeline is, IPs, that's fine. But I just want to put these all together of all the work and focus. And I think I've got another 1 or 2 red diamond photos to show you here. Yeah, that's Canada 2017. The other one was, and by the way, the one in Oklahoma City was right over Will Rogers International Airport, where the FAA headquarters is located. So, I don't know, maybe one of ones too. Maybe they're trying to say hello to the FAA. All right, super. Let's go to the next. Super. This is Oklahoma City again, Ben. That's what the same day on the saucer ship. I believe that was 9/25/24. So the saucer ship is the one on the left with the little dots there. It wasn't going that fast. I guess it didn't want to go that fast. So you interpolate it. You do frame by frame, copy and paste, copy and paste. I know some of you say, well, you can just call it stacking because technically. But some old timers in photography, I talked to them in the movie studios. They said, yeah, we used to use that term in the 70s, interpolation. So whatever I just thought it was the best appropriate name for it. It's an interpretation of the video because these are all from videos. Look at the UAP, the dragon on the bottom, white to dark, white to, I mean, wow, what is up with this physics here? Personally, I think that's some type of fuel source. The white is one fuel, the darker is another fuel, either hydrogen or helium, something like that, as a fuel base of electrons. Nevertheless, you see the airliner in the center? That's all Ben was recording. Just record airliners, helicopters. Generally speaking, a UAP will fly in. It will be fast. You'll miss it. I miss a lot. I've deleted a lot of videos, good videos, because I didn't see them, but they were there. Okay, let's go forward. Let's keep going. Okay, super. So Blue Angels, like I've said so many times, just watch airshow videos. Thunderbirds, Blue Angels. I like the Blue Angels. Here's the Blue Angels of Chicago, I believe 2017. That's the lake down there. All those white dots are boats. Chicago, #1 location, Blue Angels for UFOs, UAPs. So this is super slow motion, super slow. What are we going to see here? We better see a UFO fly by. Sure enough, here it comes. Here it comes. Keep your eye on it. And then watch what's following it too. Watch what's following it at the same time. When you slow it down, definitely looks like some type of hexagon right there. And look what's following it. See that orange cloud? Those are, but just through 14,000 hours of research, those are dragons. Sometimes they do turn orange. My understanding that plasma helium electrified is orange. I have like 10 of those. You will see them, but they're super hard to come by. I'll tell you now. But how did I find it? It's watch Blue Angels video, watch airshow videos, and watch for things flying by. Makes it kind of easy. Makes the impossible look a lot easier. And that's all this is. So yeah, feel free. And then I'll show you the last one, the famous Palmdale wormhole, Blue Angels, and we'll call it a day here. All right, here we go. Let this pass one more time. Super slow motion. And watch, he's just being followed. By the way, these larger UAPs are escorted. They are escorted by these dragons. That is their primary function. Obviously to protect the larger ships. What can I say? And then once they're on a planet, they recon the entire planet. That's the most logical answer. Okay, let's go to Palmdale. Okay, super. Palmdale, Blue Angels again, 2017. Just practicing out there, beautiful blue skies. Look what flies in right in front of the video. You're like, wow, what the heck was that? So when you watch it in real time, you'll hear a click. And when you slow it down, the click gets even louder. Remember, they leave a click on the video, the audio. Again, make it look easy. Look at that. That's literally what a portal in the daytime looks like. And everything happens so quickly. This is just super lucky video. You want to look this one up. It's Blue Angels Ride Looking Forward. Blue Angels Ride Looking Forward. Timeline 2313.5, 2313.5. You can watch in slow motion. If you don't know how to do that on YouTube, K for pause, arrow forward for frame by frame, arrow backwards, frame by frame backwards. There you go. You can watch it in slow motion. Personally, you may want to take a picture of it for a rainy day, because just like the Malibu base, how it disappeared, it's only a matter of time before this disappears. Okay, that will do it. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, custodianfile@gmail if you have your own dragon video. I do appreciate it. Tell me what you think about all this. Is it explainable, not explainable, amazing, not amazing? I find it amazing. All right, we'll leave it at that. Thank you very much. Have a happy new year. We'll talk later. Take care. Bye-bye.